Hey guys, welcome to another video. And आपने देखा होगा previous videos में I've only taken you through my workout, so it's very workout specific. But ये series के साथ I want to also give you an insight into a little bit of nutrition, a little bit of my lifestyle, and how you guys can take a little bit from it, learn from it, and अपने life में apply कर सकते हो. मुझे चाय बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई यूजुअली स्टार्ट माई डे विद कॉफ़ी एंड एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे इट्स जस्ट कॉफ़ी दैट आई ड्रिंक. आई डोंट ड्रिंक टी. बट अभी देर इज़ नॉट इनफ कॉफ़ी एट होम. आई डोंट हैव एनी कॉफ़ी. आई यूजुअली हैव माई ब्रदर्स कंपनी का कॉफ़ी विच इज़ स्लीपी आउल. वी डोंट हैव दैट एट होम राइट नाउ and I don't like instant coffee, so I'm not even getting instant coffee. I've been off caffeine for a long time, just having pre-workout every other day. But this is the tea I got from Darjeeling when I had gone. So this tea is pretty premium. इसमें मैं दूध नहीं डालता. It's just plain black tea that I have. I just finished some client work right now. I am going to take you through my pre-workout meal, but before that, मैं थोड़ा ready हो जाता हूँ. It will take me 2 seconds. You don't believe me, huh? मेरे को actually 2 seconds लगेंगे. 1, 2. Sorry, 1 second. I'm taking you through my pre-workout meal now, and this meal is high in protein, fats, and carbs. It's just a big meal because this is my first meal of the day. और मैं इसके बाद एक push workout के लिए जाऊँगा, and I need the fuel for that. And usually in the day I'm having about 3 big meals, so this is one of them, and approximately 1000 या 1100 calories होंगे ये meal में. Yes, it's a lot, but that's how I start my day, and I feel I need a decent meal before I get in a workout. So I'm going to take you through it now. 6 eggs I'm going to start with. So guys, this is my pre-workout meal, and इसके साथ shake है. It's slightly smaller than usual, but I'll count the calories and I'm going to put it here. I'm on the way to the gym, and it's a 15-minute walk approximately, and it's pretty damn hot right now actually. But I'm going to take you guys through the workout. My videographer is not there with me, so I'm just going to keep my camera on the side and take you through the workout. And after that, we're going to discuss the question of the day. It's going to be super exciting, and I'm going to see you for that. Let's go to the gym first. I'm going to take you through this entire workout because I want to explain to you कौन सी exercise कर रहा हूँ and how I'm doing it. The first exercise was an incline Smith machine press, and I'm using a Smith machine after 3 years. Super exciting. I loved it. Loved the feel of it. It helps you with stability a little bit, so you can really push past failure, and you can work with much heavier weights as well. So I actually did about 3 sets with maximum weight. And here I was actually focusing on pushing my back into the bench and using leg drive as much as possible. अगर आप lower body use करोगे, you can definitely push more weight. Okay, keep that in mind. And don't only think of pushing the weight away from you, think of pushing your back into the bench. Very important cue. After I did 3 sets with my maximum weight, I did 2 back off sets जहाँ पे मैंने failure तक reps किए. And definitely on a Smith machine it is much easier to go to failure, and you can actually push past failure as well if you have a spotter with you. And again, don't fly your elbows, don't involve your shoulders too much. They will get involved, but not too much. Try to involve your chest as much as possible. And leg drive, super important. So for the second exercise, we switched over to dumbbells, flat dumbbell press. And for this one, again, same thing. You need to dig your upper back into the bench, think of pushing your back into the bench rather than thinking of only pushing the dumbbells away from you. Leg drive यूज़ करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because that will help you push more weight. And keep your elbows slightly tucked in and think of trying to meet your biceps together. That will actually activate your chest much more. That's a very important cue to keep in mind when you're doing this exercise. This next one is a different variation of a shoulder press. This is a single arm kneeling shoulder press. इसमें आपका core activation बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. That's why I chose this one over a normal one. Plus the ceiling is not high enough for me. And in this one you need to think of pushing the dumbbell straight above your head, and you can keep your hand out as well like I'm doing here, just to keep a check on your balance. And it's very easy to arch your back here, so make sure your core is activated throughout the movement. Try to push your front foot into the ground while you're doing it, and that will actually help you stay stable throughout the movement. Again, elbows slightly tucked in to save your shoulder. The next one is an explosive movement to exhaust my chest muscles as much as possible. Your triceps and shoulders will be involved as well. So I started off with explosive push-ups, and उसके बाद मैंने normal push-ups किए failure तक, just to fatigue my muscles as much as I could. I did about 2 or 3 sets of this. And once I was done with this, we moved on to the staple dumbbell lateral raises. And for this one, I used a slightly heavy weight, but I tried to control my eccentric, which is the downward phase of the movement, as much as possible, and I took it till failure. इसके 3 सेट किए मैंने, and that was more than enough. And for the last exercise, मैंने पूरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया, 10 सेकंड ही रिकॉर्ड हुए, but I hope you like this kind of a workout, and I will definitely try and make more of these. Let me know in the comments.
Hey guys, I'm back from my workout. I hope आपको अभी तक ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. If you do like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe. And now we are going into a segment that I want to add in almost every video that we make, which is the question of the day. And in this, what I want to discuss is any kind of problem that you might be having in terms of fitness. There are a lot of concepts around fitness that we all have a problem with, and if you have a problem with that, make sure to comment down below and I will answer all of your questions. But for now, I'm going to answer questions that I wanted when I started my fitness journey, and a lot of my clients also ask such questions. So for today, we're going to be discussing about what type of cardio is good for you. Before I answer this question, what I want to tell you is that fitness के हिसाब से a lot of the questions are in a gray area. There is no black or white answer to it, and a lot of the answers when it comes to fitness is it depends. Okay, however irritating that might be, it actually depends. In this case, you need to understand आपका goal क्या है when it comes to fitness. If your goal is to run a marathon or increase your stamina, your training has to reflect that. Okay, if you're trying to better your sprinting speed or better your sprinting speed for a particular sport, तो आपका training उसको reflect करना चाहिए. Okay, to get better at that specific task or skill. So if you are someone who wants to improve your sprint speed, there are a lot of components that you need to work around, like acceleration, deceleration, force absorption, change of direction, so many things that you can work on specifically to improve your sprint speed. Okay, and similarly, if you want to improve your long distance running, आपको long distance obviously भागना होगा, but you need to improve on things like your lactate threshold, your efficiency when it comes to running, managing your breathing patterns, and all of those things. Again, now if you are someone who wants to generally be fit, who wants to increase your strength, and you think only weight training is something that you want to specifically focus on and prioritize, तब आपको cardio health के perspective से करना होगा. So basically in this video मैं आपको एक reason दे रहा हूँ cardio करने के लिए. If you have a reason to do what you do, and if you have a strong enough why, there are more chances that you will follow up and actually do cardio. Okay, before you think of what type of cardio you're supposed to do, just keep in your mind that you need to do cardio. As important as weight training is, cardio is as important. You need to think of it from a health perspective. हर किसी को cardio करना चाहिए, no matter what you are trying to prioritize on. Maybe your cardio will be low on your priority list, but हमेशा आपको करना चाहिए in whatever little way that you can do. That may be 5,000 steps, 10,000 steps, start with 1,000 steps, then proceed and go towards something that you like. If you want to get better at football, तो उस हिसाब से आपको कार्डियो करना चाहिए. यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव योर एक्सेलरेशन, डिसेलरेशन, जो मैंने बोला पहले, दोज आर थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू डू. द रीज़न दैट आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो टुडे इज़ बिकॉज मैं शाम को फुटबॉल खेलने जा रहा हूँ, एंड दैट इज़ माई कार्डियो फॉर टुडे. ओके, दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई लाइक, दैट इज़ समथिंग आई विल नॉट मिस. मैं 2-3 दिन से प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले फुटबॉल एंड आई नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन एंड मेरा कार्डियो होगा. आई एम नॉट मेजरिंग हाउ मच कार्डियो आई एम डूइंग, आई एम नॉट thinking of, oh, I need to do 10,000 steps, I need to do this, that and the other today. I made a plan with my friends, I'm doing something that I like and मुझे बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है फुटबॉल खेलने में. एंड उसके साथ साथ मेरा कार्डियो होने वाला है, उसके साथ साथ मेरे स्टेप्स होने वाले हैं. एंड इट्स अ गुड थिंग. यू डोंट ऑलवेज हैव टू मेजर हाउ मच कार्डियो यू आर डूइंग. ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव ऑफ कोर्स, ट्राई टू प्ले मोर फुटबॉल, ट्राई टू प्ले मोर टेनिस, ट्राई टू प्ले मोर गोल्फ, एनीथिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग अलॉन्ग विथ योर स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग और अलॉन्ग विथ एवरीथिंग. अगर आप फिटनेस लाइफस्टाइल के लिए कर रहे हो, all these components are important. You need to do cardio with weight training with cardio. सब कुछ interlinked है, सब कुछ important है. तो आप अपने हिसाब से find what you like and do that. I hope you like this kind of a video. I hope that with these videos I actually answer your questions and give you answers to the problems that you are having in your fitness journey. Comment below, let me know if you want me to answer a particular question, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. अगर आपको पसंद आया, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट, इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प मी, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.